Hi guys. Today we're making a life-changing salad with quinoa, pomegranate, and lots of greens and herbs. And I'm eating it right out of the bowl. Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite cooking channel. Please subscribe if it's your first time here. If it's not your first time, I hope you've already subscribed. Today we're making a salad. Not just your ordinary salad. It's gonna be extraordinary, life-changing. It's a life-changing salad. Now this is gonna be a really quick video. Everything's really easy. We're just gonna wash, prep, cut, chop, mix, and then eat. But I want to tell you about how I make a salad. Like what composes a life-changing salad. I view a meal as a plate that has certain specific building blocks. These building blocks, when they're combined, they make something very satisfying and very nourishing. So I always look for protein in my plate. I look for a lot of vegetables, maybe some like carbs, so to say, and then look for fiber, lots and lots of fiber, and as many greens as possible. Greens in different colors. I actually love like a rainbow in a plate. Now let's go through the building blocks. Protein. Today we're gonna have quinoa. It's a great grain and it's an excellent source of plant-based protein. Also, I like to combine my plant-based proteins. I have these guys. These are frozen baby broad beans. Was it baby broad? British baby broad beans. I'm trying to say that like 10 times in a row really fast. They're frozen. They're very easy to cook. You just need to boil them for 3 to 4 minutes. And this is also a great source of plant-based protein. Combined, this will make my body, my bones, my joints, my system really happy, and these will leave me feeling full. Now, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? This is all you need to be happy. Like a very gut-healthy plate. We have tomatoes, or tomatoes, whatever. This is gonna be used as a dressing together with olive oil. I have a red onion. I have a ton of greens. I have some coriander. I have some parsley. I think I have some mint hidden somewhere here. I have celery sticks, great. I have a piece of a green onion, and I'm gonna serve my salad in these leaves of lettuce. I hope I'm not forgetting anyone. This might remind you of this beautiful, I think it's a Lebanese dish called tabbouleh, but they usually, instead of the quinoa, they have the bulgur, which is a kind of wheat grain, and I'm not sure that they use beans. Oh my God, pomegranate seeds. These guys are so good for you, and they will add just like these little pops of flavor in the salad. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna boil these. This is already cooked. By the way, this might be a good life hack for you. I always have pre-cooked grains in the fridge. For example, right now, besides the quinoa, I have rice. We ate it yesterday. I always cook a bit more. The leftovers I store in the fridge. And then, for example, tomorrow, I'm gonna have shrimp fried rice. And it just saves time. It gives me some ideas and options of how to quickly construct, using my building block system, a meal. So I'm gonna really finely chop the celery, the greens, the onions, tomatoes. I don't want any chunks of tomatoes. I want the juice and the pulp, so I'm actually gonna grate these guys, boil these, and that's it. We're almost there. We're almost eating a gorgeous salad. Okay, so you can totally eat the salad, like me, out of a bowl. And I will eat this whole thing. Or, if you're expecting guests, you can serve it up as like a finger food. So you take a lettuce wrap, it could be like baby gem leaves or endives or chicory, something that will hold like a little taco shell. Or you could totally serve these in tacos. Why not? I think that this is just like, I'm looking at this salad and I just like feel like the health kind of oozing in me. I mean, you have everything that you need for a balanced, perfect, delicious meal. So there you have it, my little wrap, and I'm just gonna munch away. This might get a bit messy, I'm sorry. Seriously, it's delicious. First of all, you might want to add to the dressing itself, besides the tomato juices and the olive oil and the lemon juice, maybe you want to add some honey or some like agave syrup. I don't need it here. I think that like the pomegranate adds just the right amount of sweetness. You have so many different textures. You have like the soft greens, but then you have the crunchy celery. I don't know, this is just so delicious. And again, it's balanced. Guys, try the salad. Hang on. You know what? This is like a meal on its own, but you could totally serve this as like a side dish for, let's say, fish, shrimp. I think it'll be delicious with like lamb. If you're going heavy on like the protein, maybe skip the quinoa, maybe skip the beans, and just leave it like as a plain tabbouleh salad. I love it. I love this stuff. Make sure to try it, and then leave me a comment below under this video if you liked it. And if you liked it, give me a like. Show me some love. It means a lot to us, bloggers. Cheers.